Hello everyone, this is your girl Camille. I want to say welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do another beautiful flower painting. I will be spinning this one out, still in this festive mood. Christmas is coming up and I want to use colors representing Christmas, some red, some green, and of course white. For this technique, guys, it's very important to mix your paint with a consistency where it does leave a mount on a mount and then disappear. So you don't want your paint to be too thin. I haven't put any base color on my canvas. I just wanted to just start off with the colors straight out, right? So you don't have to put like a base color for this particular technique. You just want to start off with your first color. As you can see, I started off with the white, followed up by the red. Then I'll be using like champagne gold, and here is the Folk Art Drizzle Premix glitter. It's in rose gold. It's beautiful, so I'm just pouring straight from the bottle here, guys. Okay, I'll be showing in the future different videos where I use different glitter. It doesn't have to use a glitter that's pre-mixed. I just wanted to show you, just for convenience, if you're having problem mixing glitter and using it in your acrylic pouring, that you can just go and just get it straight from the bottle. Yes, these paints are very expensive. Just want to let you know you can always mix your glitter with whatever pour medium you have. I use the Artist Loft pouring medium, so it does give you that glossy, shiny finish. And it's also transparent. All right, it won't take away from your glitter. You just need to know how to mix it, and I'll be talking more about that in the future. So come back to my channel and check out some of my future videos, and I'll be explaining some more. I really do hope you guys enjoy today's painting. And of course, if you do, don't be afraid to give this video a thumbs up, like and share with your friends and family. Also, guys, if you're new to my channel, I want to say welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. Subscribe if you haven't done so as yet. I really do appreciate it. Isn't that green beautiful? That is a beautiful emerald green deco art, and it's in metallic. Really love the color combination. And if you guys notice how I layer the colors, I put white in between. I just wanted to keep the red away from the white. This of course will prevent the colors from getting muddy. Guys, I really do hope you enjoy today's content, and of course continue all the way till the end. You're gonna see me showing the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. Really do appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much. I will see you at the end.